Let's go to see the exercises for chapter 1. Problem number 1, the set of 40 industrial customers. This is going to be a sample because it is part of the population, subset of the population. Number 2, the measurement that is used to rank order the observation. The keyword is rank order. So this is going to be the ordinal scale of measurement. Problem number 3, this is going to be qualitative data. The question is it ordinal or nominal? Order is not important, so this is going to be the nominal scale of measurement. Number 4, the entities on which data are collected. This is known as the elements. Number 5, a characteristic of interest for the elements is known as the variable. The last two came from the PowerPoint slides for chapter 1. Let's go through the problems. Problem number 1. As you can see, we have 6 elements. So these 6 elements will be Nancy, Michael, and so on. So we have 6 elements. How many variables we have in the data set? We have 4 variables. So these 4 variables will be sex, age, and so on. So these are the 4 variables, and these are the 6 elements. How many observations we have? We have 6 observations, 1 for each element. Just to give you an example, this is going to be the first observation that Nancy is a female, 52, abortion is 1, and issue rank is 1. So this is going to be 1 observation. Michael, this is the second observation, and so on. Now, we have 4 variables. The first one will be qualitative, and it's going to be the nominal scale of measurement. Order is not important. Age, it will be quantitative. Ratio, because you cannot have a negative number. The third one, even though you have a number, it is a code. So abortion will be qualitative, and it's going to be nominal. Order is not important. And then the last one, issue rank, is qualitative. And again, because we have a rank, order is important, so it will be ordinal. We follow the ordinal scale of measurement. So one more time, the first variable is qualitative, nominal, age, quantitative, ratio, abortion, qualitative, nominal, and issue rank, qualitative, ordinal. For the second problem, what is the population? The population will be all doctors in New York, and the sample will be the 200 medical doctors in New York. And these are the solutions for the exercises for chapter 1.